Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel. So in this video I would like to show you the way how to make your audio sound muffled with the Capcut application. So here I already have the Capcut open and prepared the project that I would like to use here, and I already have the audio or sounds for this video. So let's just hear the original versions of the audio before we make it muffled. Make audio sound. So that is the audio sounds whenever we haven't add the effects on it. So now let's just make the muffled. You just need to go click the audio sections and make sure that your make this section is being active by click it. So there will be like this type of looks whenever the sections is active, and then you just need to take a look on this bottom side. There will be like a voice effects right over here. So you just need to go click them. And now there will be like a lot of sections that you can choose, but then if you want to make a sounds muffled, you just need to visit the read row, and in the read row there will be like several options too. But then if your CapCut version is still in the regular version, so there will be like 3 options that you can use here, which are the microphone, lo-fi, and vinyl. So if you want to make the audio sounds muffled, I would like to suggest you to use the microphone. So you just need to go click them. Make audio. You can also adjust the strength of the effect. If you want to make it real muffled, you just need to use the highest level of the strength, and then you just need to go click this checklist button, and here is the result. Sounds muffled on the Capcut. So that is the way how to make your audio sounds muffled. Hopefully the tutorial today is useful for you. Thank you for watching, and I would like to see you for the next tutorial.